Namaskaram. My name is Plava.
And I am Sri Prada.
We are both students of Dr. Meenakshi Ravi, learning from her for the past 5 years. We have been involved in music for over 10 years through different forms of music, like instruments and different genres. However, our experience with Dr. Meenakshi Ravi was significantly different, as she made us aware of how music affects our health, our mental state, and our well-being. Now, something that we often consider just a hobby had turned into something that played a major role in our life.
Music can undoubtedly bring a positive change to everyone, whether a student or a listener of any age. It can bring about several changes, and these can broadly be categorized into implicit and explicit changes. Implicit changes are ones that come naturally. For example, both of us have become more tenacious, dedicated, and diligent throughout learning music, and these are characteristics that will play a crucial role in our future and our work lives.
Through music, we learn to stay focused and manage our time more efficiently. We were able to thoroughly benefit from these traits as we started to take up more activities with ease. The second implicit change that we have observed is music's ability to impact our mood. Often we would start the day by playing some form of classical or devotional music when we were children, and we were unaware of how this affected us at that time, but as we grew up, we noticed the difference. We've realized how this helps stimulate positive energy and has often helped us get through tiresome and stressful days.
Another instance was when I was found playing the piano on days when I was upset or not my normal enthusiastic self. I did this unconsciously, but after learning from Meenakshi ma'am, I really realized how many times music has helped me feel more happy or optimistic. Learning with Meenakshi ma'am, she has provided us many opportunities and platforms for us to perform, which helped us build our confidence. Explicit changes are the ones that we are conscious about and can control, like our thoughts and our actions. Meenakshi ma'am always taught us that one ragam always corresponds to one particular emotion, and this aspect of music always fascinated me. I started to incorporate these ideas into compositions I created on the piano. I carefully selected each scale depending on which emotion I wanted my piece to stimulate, and I started to look at each tune and melody I created with a new perspective.
We started to look at music beyond the technical skills and saw how it can be used therapeutically and even as a form of self-expression. Through learning the various compositions, we learned a lot about our culture and the stories from the great epics, which often had a bigger picture explaining us philosophy and a lot of moral values that we use in our daily lives. We felt like music kept us connected to the people around us and added a depth to our singing because we were able to understand and relate to the meaning of the composition. Finally, this knowledge and this awareness of music has helped shape our long-term goals. We wish to spread positivity and this joy to everyone around us through music and spread awareness about the positive qualities of music. We would like to help our society through the difficult times faced now and in the future. We would like to thank Meenakshi ma'am for this opportunity to reflect on our learnings from music over the last 5 years. Music has helped us grow in all spheres of life, and we look forward to explore the benefits more thoroughly. Please like and subscribe to Nadarogya channel. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.